Hi Mike, welcome to Skyhub Gyrocopter section. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
My name is Frank, as you know. I will fly with you, I will show you Dubai from the sky. Okay?
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, yeah. I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
Mike, back to the ground. How you feel?
Feel great. Let's do it again.
You like it?
Very good.
Thank you very much for flying with us.
Thanks
See
for
you
taking
later.
me. Yeah.